Model, 2013 plate Renault Trafic Vivaro Sport 2.0 DCI starts runs needs gearbox repair no VAT. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 172,682. MOT, the 14th of August 2025. Engine, 1996 CCM 9R115E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox will need repairing or replacing. Engine starts and runs perfectly. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, part service history, parking sensors, electric windows, alloy wheels,